Muhammad from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope your internet is good and we can hear you loud and clear.
Shaykh, can you hear me?
Yes?
The government college I need to join is far away from my hometown. So I need to live in the college dormitory during the entire academic course. The food they serve in their dining room include non-veg items. I live in India, so is the non-veg food they serve halal for me to eat, keeping in mind that they also provide an option to opt for strict vegetarian meals.
It is not
Jazakallah khair.
Wajazakum Muhammad. It is not permissible for Muslims to eat non-veg food in India because it is not a Christian nor a Jewish country. And we as Muslims cannot eat the meat that is not slaughtered by Muslims, Christians, or Jews. Therefore, you cannot eat non-veg food there unless it is, for example, fish. Fish is okay, and vegetable food is okay as well.